Hello guys, welcome to my channel Kids Education. Today I will teach phonic sounds A to Z. So let's start with me. A. A says A. A says A. A apple. A ant. A X. We will not say A for apple, A for ant, A for X. We will speak A says A apple, A ant, A X. B. B says B. B says B. B ball, B bus, B bird. B ball, B bus, B bird. C. C says K. C says K. K cat, K cap, K cup. K cat, K cap, K cup. Now it's time to D. D. D says D. D says D. The dog, the doll, the duck. The dog, the doll, the duck. Now E. E says E says egg, egg, engine, elephant. Egg, engine, elephant. Now F. F says F says for fish, for fox, for flower, for fish, for fox, for flower. Now it's time to G. G says G. G says G. G girl, G goat, G gate. G girl, G goat, G gate. Now it's time to H. H says her. H says her. Her hat, her hen, her house. Her hat, her hen, her house. I says I. I says I. I igloo, I insect, I Indian. I igloo, I insect, I Indian. Now it's time to J. J says J. J says J. J jam, J jug, J joker. J jam, J jug, J joker. Now it's time to K. K says K. K says K. K kite, K king, K kangaroo. K kite, K king, K kangaroo. Now it's time to L. L. L says L. L says L. L lamp, L leaf, L lion. L lamp, L leaf, L lion. Now it's time to M. M says M. M says M. M mango, M moon, M milk. M mango, M moon, M milk. Now it's time to N. N says no. N says no. No nest, no nut, no needle. No nest, no nut, no needle. Now it's time to O. O says O. O says O. O orange, O ox, O ostrich. O orange, O ox, O ostrich. Now it's time to P. P says P. P says P. P pan, P pen, P parrot. P pan, P pen, P parrot. Q says Q. Q says Q. Q queen, Q quail, Q quill. Q queen, Q quail, Q quill. R says R. R rabbit, R rose, R rainbow. R rabbit, R rose, R rainbow. S says S. S says S. Sun, S socks, S soap. S sun, S socks, S soap. Now it's time to T. T says T. T says T. T top, T ten, T tiger. T top, T ten, T tiger. U says A. U says A. Up, under, umbrella. Up, under, umbrella. V says V. Van, vase, violin. Van, vase, violin. W says va. Water, wall, well. Water, wall, well. X says cuss. X says cuss. X-ray, X-ray, Xmas tree. X-ray, Xmas tree. Y says year. Yak, yellow, yo-yo. Yak, yellow, yo-yo. Z says the zebra, the zip, the zoo. The zebra, the zip, the zoo. I hope you like this method of teaching about phonic sound. If you like this method, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.